Okay, hi, welcome to the fifth edition of Let's Sing Live Now. Sunday on the way to brunch to tell your girl goodbye because she's moved on in life. What song do you sing? We have had a lot of happy memories, and I hope we had a lot of fun. And I hope the memories will continue to linger on now that we're through and done. Goodbye, au revoir, ciao, farewell. We've had a happy time.